Yo, what's up, guys? How are we all doing? I know you all the guys have missed me because honestly, it's really been a while. I actually post on my YouTube channel here. But guys, this is a promise, guys. This is a big promise that I will be more active on my YouTube and whatever content I will be bringing for you guys this time around. Trust me, guys, it's going to be of value and how it's going to elevate your trading. So if you're a trader who is actually struggling to navigate your way into the charts and find profitable trades, guys, trust me, you need to subscribe to this channel because this is what I'm going to be bringing to you guys. I'll be showing you guys my step-by-step process that I follow to actually have setups like this that actually profit me in the market. So guys, as you guys can see on my screen, this is gold. This is the pair I traded this week, and guys, you guys can see we have a massive 1 to 5 RR on this particular trade. We have a massive 1 to 5 RR on this trade. So it's a very simple mechanical process that I follow in order for me to actually execute my trade. So guys, let's dive in on this video without really wasting much time. So guys, let's go back to the daily time frame. So that's where I start up my analysis off from. So as you guys can see, gold from the daily time frame, what is the overall sentiment of the market? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And guys, we are at our daily area of demand level. So this is my daily area of demand level. So after price mitigate off this daily area of demand level, what did I start looking for that actually allow me to participate on this long that comes from the daily time frame? What did I start looking for? I moved down to the day 4 hours time frame, because when you're having like a daily area of interest, you want to start prioritizing like the 4 hours time frame, 2 hours time frame. When price mitigate off the area of interest, as the time frame you want to be looking for a lower time frame confirmation. So guys, moving down to the 4 hours time frame, you guys can see what start happening after price react off from our daily area of interest. You guys should not forget, this is my daily area of interest. This is my daily area of interest, guys. So after price mitigate off that level, look at what price start doing. So as we're coming back to our daily area of demand level, we have lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Though this break was not really significant, but we have a closure of the body of the candle below this previous lower low. So we have a lower low, and then guys, immediately when they react off from that daily area of interest, we started breaking structures to the upside. So when I spotted this, I was like, okay, gold, this is time for us to start buying. Then I waited, guys. I spotted this area as a price will actually react and give us a pullback, because this market does not actually move hectares. This market move in phases, right? So after price got back here, we started seeing that pullback, guys. At this point, I was literally looking at this level. I started telling myself, probably I've missed this trade. But guys, patience is key. Guys. You need to exercise patience as trader, right? You need to really exercise patience if you really want to catch good moves and stop chasing the market, getting FOMO. You need to exercise patience. So guys, I was patient, and guys, we have this pullback and we have this drop, and then we have this pullback. I was like, this is it, guys. Let's shoot up, because we have liquidity at the top side here, which I was expecting price should take out. And then guys, we had this pullback again. I was like, then this is, I've already placed in my position. If this will actually work out, it will work out. If it will not work out, then let the market prove me wrong. That's just it, guys. Let the market prove me wrong. And then guys, we came back, break below this low, created a new lower low, and then we break above this high, which price gave us another buying opportunity. But I'm already on a buy, and I have like 3 positions running already. So I decided not to participate on this. So guys, you guys can see how gold actually rallied up This was day before yesterday, which is I think on the 5th of August. That was when we have this rally to the upside that got my TP hit, guys. So we were able to bang a 1 to 5 RR on this trade, and as you guys can see, I keep it as simple as I can, guys. Simplicity is the only way you can really win this game. You don't need to complicate anything. Trading on its own is already complicated, so why complicating it? I trade purely supply and demand, and if you guys are following up, you understand that I try as possible as I can to keep it simple. Trading supply and demand, I just look at supply and demand, imbalance and liquidity, and that's it. Then I apply proper risk management, guys. So this is how I was able to bank a 1 to 5 RR on this gold trade, guys. So if you want to learn from me, you can actually send me a direct DM on my Instagram or TikTok, which my handle name is IAM_sureboard, guys. So thank you, guys. If you love what I'm doing on this channel, kindly give me a follow and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's go. It's a quick one.